Hi, this is Teena Hughes and I'd like to show you some hand-painted silk bookmarks. My website is howtopaintonsilkwithteenahughes.com. As you can see, there are lots of black outlines and bright colours, wild and wacky designs. The silk is hand-painted by me and then laminated to protect the silk. Would you like to learn to make your own silk bookmarks? Why not sign up for my free tutorial today? Just pop over to 42jump.com/silkbookmarks and I'll see you there. Ciao, ciao for now. This is Teena Hughes from howtopaintonsilkwithteenahughes.com.